All right, in number 51, we are practicing finding the arc length of a plane curve defined parametrically. We are not practicing how to do antiderivatives, so practice the arc length formula with this curve, but when you get to your definite integral, use technology at that stage. Here we go. The arc length formula is this. So we're going to need to find what dx dt is and dy dt. We'll do that right here. Dx dt is 1/2 t to the negative 1/2 power. And dy dt is a real fast 3. All right, so the arc length for values of t between 0 and 1, we'll use this formula. We'll substitute this for dx dt and 3 for dy dt. Substitute that in, we'll do the arithmetic, and we get the definite integral of this expression from 0 to 1. We could rewrite it this way. All right, at this stage, this is where I do not want you to be trying to find the antiderivative of this expression. At this stage, use your TI graphing calculator the way you would if this were a calculator part of the AP test. We'll enter this into our calculator, and we should get the proper answer. When you enter that into your calculator, just go ahead and use x. Doesn't matter what the letter is, so we'll use the variable x, which is easier on our calculator. And the arc length, or the total distance the particle would travel, is 3.249 roughly units.